Libano.
Schoolmates, good afternoon. Moving up program is the time of the year where pupils, parents, and teachers reap the fruit of hard work. I enjoy the activities in school. Our first playtime, nap time before going home. Dancing and exciting birthday celebration in the classroom. This prepared me to a big school. Teacher Michelle, thank you for your patience. You taught us things to be learned in the kindergarten. Thank you, Mrs. Morano. I hope you will continue to guide us. Mama, Papa, thank you for your love and for making me a good child. Above all, I offer the glory and honor to our God for this blessing. Good day and God bless us all.